Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And we're going to have a gift for one of our subscribers, and it's going to be the WRTH 2015 reference book. It's down in the lower corner of this screen, right over there. And without too much more delay, we're going to go over here to random.org. We're going to put in the minimum is 1 and the maximum is going to be 23 people. 23 people entered the giveaway for this handbook, and we're going to hit generate and see who the winner is. I've got a list right here next to me of all the people that entered. So here we go. And the number is 13, unlucky 13. In this case, it's lucky 13. And that's Vicky G in Massachusetts. So Vicky, if you will send me your mailing address to TRRS73@gmail.com, I will get this handbook in the mail for you. Thank you, and everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.